What are the tools, and how do I use them? Click on Tools on the left column. Notice that you have several tools. Click on Settings. First, let's decide on our settings for the page mask, which is the electronic version of a sheet of paper with a hole cut in it. Adjust your focus area and transparency. Let's use pink and make the transparency a little darker. Moving the slide to the left, on the transparency slide bar makes the color darker and to the right makes it lighter. Now let's look at the mask. Let's make the mask light blue and the transparency dark, but not completely removing the transparency. Scrolling down the page, let's look at the reading ruler, which is the electronic version of a note card. Let's use green and remove all the transparency. We have now adjusted our settings. Click Close. Click on Tools, and then on Page Mask. Notice our selected colors. You can move the page mask up and down the page. You make the page mask larger by clicking on the plus, and smaller by clicking on the minus. Clicking the X turns it off. Click on Tools and this time click on Reading Ruler. Notice our color choice for the reading ruler. You can move it up and down the page. You can make the reading ruler larger by clicking on the plus, and smaller by clicking on the minus. Clicking the X turns it off. Let's go back to Tools again. This time, click on Calculator. This is a basic calculator. Click on Speech Enable. The information you enter on the calculator has one voice, and when you click the equals, a different voice will read your equation and answer. Let's enter 2 times 3.
2 times 3.
2 times 3 equal 6.
Now you know how to adjust and use your tools.